Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. So in this video we will be learning how to add a foreign key to your table or relation in a relational database using the SQL language. Okay, and we will be doing this using the alter command of SQL. So let us first understand what is a foreign key. Suppose you have three relations in your database, namely student, guardian and attendance. Student relation consists of four attributes, mainly the roll number, which is the primary key of the student. Then we have the student name, S name, then the student date of birth and GUID. GUID basically stands for the guardian ID of that particular student. Then we have a separate guardian table that stores the guardian ID. Here guardian ID is serving as the primary key. Okay. Then it also has the guardian name, the phone number of the guardian and the address of the guardian. And last we have the attendance table, which stores the attendance date for which the student's attendance has been recorded, the roll number of the student and the attendance status, whether it is present, the student is present or absent. Now in such tables, when the primary key of one table, here in our case GUID is the primary key of the guardian table, right? And the same value, the same attribute is present in our student table also. So the attribute GUID which is present in the student table is referencing the primary key of another table, which is the guardian table. Okay, so in such a scenario, when the primary key when an attribute of a particular table refers to the primary key of another table, then this particular attribute is known as the foreign key, because originally it is not present in the original table. The original table where this attribute is present is the guardian table, where this attribute is serving as the primary key. But in case of student table, this particular attribute is serving as a foreign key, but it is the same value, it is storing the same values as in the guardian table. So we say that the GUID present in the student table is the foreign key which is referencing the primary key GUID present in the guardian table. Okay, so there are certain key points that you must remember while making foreign keys. Firstly, when you are creating a foreign key, then that foreign key will be added only after the primary key of the table has been created. That means the primary key of the table that is being referenced, in our case the guardian table's primary key GUID must be created first and before creating the GUID foreign key of the student table. So it also means that the referenced relation, the guardian table which is being referenced, must be created before and should already exist before creating the referencing foreign key. Okay, so the last point is both the relations, the relation that is referencing the primary key of another table should have the data type and size which is exactly the same of both the attributes. That means the data type and the size of the primary key should exactly match the data type and size of the foreign key. Let's see the syntax of adding a foreign key. So once we have created a student table, initially it will not contain the foreign key GUID because till now we have not created the guardian table. Once we have created the guardian table, then we will assign GUID as the primary key of the guardian, and then we will use this command, the alter table command, to find out or to add the foreign key in this particular student table. So what is the command? First you use the fixed words, the keywords alter table. You have to write these keywords that are written in black, alter table, and then you specify the table name in which you want to add the foreign key. Then you specify the keywords add foreign key, and then in brackets, in round brackets, you write the name of the foreign key that you want to create. And and later you have to write the word references, which basically tells the database using SQL that this particular attribute which we are creating as the foreign key is referencing this particular table, that means the guardian table, and in that table it is referencing the GUID, which is the primary key. So initially, if we are assigning the foreign key of the student table, then how will we write? We are altering the table which is the student table. So here we write student because we are changing or modifying the student table. And how we are modifying it? By adding a foreign key. And what is the name of the foreign key? The GUID is the name of the foreign key. Now, since a foreign key has to refer to some other relation and its primary key, so we are telling that this foreign key of student table is referencing the guardian table, and in that guardian table it is referencing the primary key, which is GUID. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video, mind your exam.